Oh, you better. Okay, now watch. Probably only gonna record like 3 seconds. Okay, we're in the move. What?
I'm fucking jumpy for some reason.
Yeah, no shit. Should just put this up here.
Pull it out the door.
Hell no. He's gonna grab my hand.
He's gonna grab my hand. Touch it.
Look at it, it's like the ghost cam. Look at it, you can see the road and everything. Doo doo. Doo doo. What?
Nothing. It was just a stump. I fucking hate you. I hate you. I hate everything you fucking do. You're a fucking hole.
I haven't screamed like that in years.
I was like, fuck.
I know.
The wind goes up all slow. God.
Oh my god, that is funny.
Holy fuck. Oh my god.
This is so going up on MySpace. I'm YouTubing this some bitch.
Why are you leaving this?
Where am I going?
You're leaving.
No, oh shit. No, I'm gonna go around.
Why?
Because we're at the exit. Now we're gonna go back around. Oh fuck, man.
Isn't it?
What?
It is dark.
Well, it's because the clouds are all creepy and shit. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be thinking about that all night. That was a kind of blood-curdling scream, eh?
Yeah. Yeah. Fucking stop.
That's the first time I've ever tried that stunt.
I just went like this.
If you're gonna scare somebody, you gotta do that.
Yeah, I will.
You should do that to your mom.
Yeah. Mom, I'll take a trip to the cemetery.
So I can scream at you.
Yeah.
Because you love your mama. Do that again.
I can't see nothing.
Just do it again. Are you shining yourself or just shooting it in the air?
I was shining my eyes, but I can't see now, so I'm not going to do it again.
Okay.
Go that way.
Ooh, shit. No, I want to go back to the creepy area, and then we can come back around.
No, I don't want to go back there.
Just trust me, because you said you had a creepy feeling. And whatnot and what all.